Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a nice fall morning today, so we're gonna do something a little different than climbing trees. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's foggy, sun's just coming up, kind of peeking through. It's beautiful. All right, so what are we gonna do today? Temperature has gotten down to the point where it's no longer being 100 degrees, so guess what time it is? It's time to put our Arborjet stuff to work. So we've got a few things over here. We're not quite ready to get the air out. I need to fill up that bottle yet, so we'll have to wait on that for another time. But we're gonna get this out. It's the new AccuFlow soil injector, and we're going to do some growth regulator. Get a counter. That way you can keep track of how many holes you've poked and make sure that you're getting accurate dosing. You're not second guessing going, man, was that number 10 or was that number 11? So that makes it a lot easier if you just have a clicker. Just click it every time you fill it up, and that way you know if you've given the dose that you're at the number that's on the clicker. All right, we're getting ready to mix up some growth regulator to apply with the soil injector. First thing you want to do is make sure you're reading the label, following safety. Eye protection, gloves, long sleeves. When you get this growth regulator, it's going to want to settle out. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you pour any of it to measure, you want to shake it up. All right, now that you know that you've got it thoroughly mixed and it's not going to be settled out, measure out what you need. So for this growth regulator, we're going to, label says 12 to 1, so we're going to measure 12 parts in here to what we need in here, and then we'll put that into the tank. I've already got some water in the tank, that way it'll mix in, and then we'll put the rest of our water in there and we'll be able to get it all mixed in there well. Stuff's pretty thick. Prime this system. So to do that, we're going to take and we're going to turn it on. There's a control over here on the side, and we're just going to turn that up. We're going to place this probe inside underneath the surface of the, and then we're just gonna it appears I have a leak right here, so we're gonna fix that right quick. Alright, that appeared to just be a press fitting. I'm hoping got the hose to go in there a little bit further. I'm hoping it stops leaking now. Let me try this again. I'm going to place this down inside here. I'm going to turn this on over here. And we're simply going to fill it here. Efficiently cycled that. Turn this back off. Does not appear to be leaking anymore, so that's good. And now we've got it primed and ready to go. So I had taken the strainer out to be able to put that down in there. I'm going to put this back in. And we're just going to place our lid on. Make sure that's secure. Alright guys, now we're getting ready to do a gum tree, and they take a different dosage than the oak trees. So I'm going to show you how to adjust it. Right here, there's a knob. You want to loosen that knob. You want to turn it there. Slide it down to wherever you need it here. For us, it's going to be 50. Then you want to give it, so you have it in the middle here to be able to move it, because it goes in these slots. And then to lock it off, you want to put it into one of these notches and then tighten that back down. Now we're ready to go at a dose of 50 instead of 150. And just that quickly, we got 4 trees treated with growth regulator using the Arborjet Soil Injector